Good morning everybody. So it is day 17, 17th of December already. It's crazy. So this is the Charlie's Advent Calendar opening. So this is the nail art one. So let's just get straight into it. And what have we got? Oh, now I have got some of this already, not from Charlie's, from somewhere else, and I've never used it. Oh, now I don't know if I'm going to be able to swatch it. I'll tell you what, I'll give it a go. So it's netted foil flakies. So this is the size of it. Let me just show you. So this is the size of it. So this will be a new product on the website. Now, as I say, I haven't used it before. So, yeah. I'll give it a go and we'll see. If I can't do it, then I won't swatch it. So, I can tell I'm very nervous. So, you get a fair bit. There you go, that's what it looks like. I'm sure everybody's seen it already. Well, this type of thing anyway. So, yeah, I'm not sure. I haven't used it. I'll give it a go. If it turns out really, really bad, I ain't going to show you. So let's open the glitter one. So if it's shocking, you ain't going to see it. So let's have a look together. Ooh. Metallic gold tinsel. Ooh. Now, I have got all these strands and tinsels. I've just never used them. So, you get 3 grams. To stuff I don't know how to use. Oh no. Oh dear, dear, dear. Oh dear, dear me. Right. I shall be back. I don't know. Right. Fingers crossed. Wish me luck. I shall be back. Okay, I gave it a go. I'm not gonna lie, this was really, really hard. I think if I ever use this again, if I will use polygel. I used builder gel instead, and yeah, builder gel, no, because I know most people use acrylic, but the smell of the monomer gives me really bad migraines. So yeah, this ain't the greatest, but I had a go. I mean, it is only my first time, so please be kind. Oh, it's not good. It's not good. I know it's not good, but I tried. I gave it a go. It's all about having a go, isn't it? And maybe if I do use it again, maybe I will yeah, use polygel instead. And that's the other nail I did. Yeah. With the metallic strands. I didn't know what I was doing, so I just did like as if like you were at a party and like, you know, like the confetti, and just used a Merry Christmas sticker, a white one from Charlie's. So that's what I did with the metallic tinsel. I know you can't see it. Oh, Lord. Oh dear. And then the yeah, this netted foil flakes. Oh no. I don't think it's for me. I don't think it is. I mean, maybe if I try it with polygel, maybe it would be better, but that's what mine looks like. Absolutely terrible. Not even lumpy bumpy, everything. But I gave it a go. I tried. Do I get points for trying? I don't think so. But anyway, I hope you've enjoyed my video today, and I hope you like my, yeah, I don't know what this is called, but yeah, let me know your thoughts down below on the products, not on these. They're a mess. Well, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. And don't forget my discount code if you place an order from Charlie's. And yep, hopefully you'll join me tomorrow. Thank you everybody for watching. Enjoy your day, and yeah, I'll post some pictures at the end. Thanks for watching. Bye.